Hi and welcome to my place. Today I want to share with you how to make a solid perfume, but not using wax, but using this stuff here, which is called rose floral wax. And there's a whole heap of waxes you can get, but this is what's left after they take the extract, the essence of the rose or the essential oils out of the rose. It's such a wonderful, wonderful, hard wax. It's got a beautiful fragrance of rose which is still left in it, and I felt that this would be far nicer to use as a solid perfume base other than the beeswax. Well, rose, tuberose with tuberose wax, it just made sense to me. It's really easy to put together. So you need, for today's recipe, just to make, it's going to make 2 of these lipstick containers, and it's also going to make 1 of these little containers here of your solid base. Now, while we're on the subject, what I like to do is when I do my solid perfumes, I like to put them into the lipstick canisters because it makes it easier for application. And I had one here, and goodness only knows where it's gone. It's probably rolled off. You also need a double boiler, and you need a little glass container just like this. So into here I've got 10 grams of the rose floral wax, which is about that size there. And the other thing I'm going to put into it, which I've only just discovered, and that is Moringa oil. Fantastic product as a fixative. I did not know this. So to the people that told me about this, thank you so much, because it is just fabulous. So into that, so you melt your wax, which doesn't take very long at all, and then it's just a matter of adding whatever essential oils you want. So I'm going to put in 15 of ylang. That can go into there like so. That's 15 of those, and 15 of rose hold on, now it's not going to go. The rose absolute. Put that into there, more or less, or you can put whatever blend you like. Give that a little stir around. So you need to let this cool down ever so slightly before you put your essential oils into it. Oh my goodness, that is just heavenly. And then that can just be poured into your container like so. Don't fill it up too high. And then when it comes to putting the oil from there into here, make sure, see that little wee bit just right there? Make sure that that is wound right down. And then I use, actually I'm going to try and see if I can do it this way. If I'm not too rough, I should be able to pour that into there without making a mess. Oh no, I've made a mess, but never mind. It's in there. Now leave that. I've just got a little bit of wax on my board, but just leave that until it cools, and then you are good to go. And I wish I could find, here it is. It wasn't lost at all. So when it comes to applying it, it's just, you just put it on your wrist or wherever you want to put it. Put it there for just a few moments, and then just that can just be run around your wrist like so, or into your pulse points, wherever you want it to be. The other thing, if you didn't want to do that, you can put the 20 mils, just fill up your roller bottle with your oil like so. Just be very careful you don't put in too much. Look how thick it is. It's just gorgeous stuff. Hold on, a bit too much into there. Pour a bit of that out. So look how thick it is. It's beautiful, beautiful stuff. And then you can just put your essential oils straight into there, and you are set to go. And what I like is to have the oil base, I want this now, have the oil with the solid, and then if you want to top up your fragrance during the day, it's just a matter of just applying the roller or the solid fragrance. And I knew I'm not doing, here it is. Then that just gets pushed onto there like so, and then you just give that a good shake around, and I leave it for about a week before I actually start applying it, and I do the same with the solid as well. So there you have 2 easy perfumes, and I do have to say that the Rose Floral Wax is amazing stuff to work with, and it does hold its fragrance. I hope that this has been of assistance to you, perfume makers out there, and if you've got any lovely recipes that you would like to share with me, please do not hesitate to Gmail me. That's at astarsplace@gmail.com. Hope you enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing with you, and I look forward to seeing you another day.